Peace divines, welcome to My Talk Avenue, and I welcome you to My Talk Avenue. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button if you would like to be notified of more videos. These two juices right here are lovely juices that you can probably go ahead for Earth Day and pick out of your garden, and you can enjoy your Earth Day in a sustainable way, right? But I wanted to make these recipes with you on Earth Day, and hopefully you will make them and you will take the pulp after you finish juicing and you will turn it into compost as well. So for my first recipe, I am using some apple, I'm using a little bit of lemon, and I'm using some oranges, some juicy oranges. I'm going to put the oranges in, I'm going to put the lemon in, and we're going to put the apples in. And we are going to go ahead and juice this up. Alright, so it looks like we have about 15 ounces right here, okay? So we are gonna go ahead and try some of this lovely juice. So remember, we had apple, a lemon, and orange, okay? So let's try it. It's super sweet, and you can taste the lemon, of course. I love it, love it, love it when it's super sweet. Okay, let's try our second juice. In our second juice, we are using a good 2 handfuls of spinach, using a little bit of lemon, and we're using some yummy juicy pear. So we're going to go ahead and put our spinach in, to go ahead and put our lovely lemon in. We're going to go ahead and put our lovely pear in. We are going to go ahead and juice this up. Alright, so it looks like from the pear, lemon, and spinach juice, we have only a good 2 ounces. So I'm going to go ahead and try this, and then we will be done. Right, so remember, we have our lemon, and we have our pear, and our spinach. And remember, I always put my recipes in the description, of course. It's very sweet. So this recipe, if you're new to juicing, you will love all of these recipes. They're very sweet, very nutritious. All right, divine. So as always, I am going to go ahead and continue to enjoy my week. And as always, I want you to continue to enjoy your day. Be true to yourself. Be well. Peace divine.